Alright, this is unique. Unique way to do an active speaker. There it is here. That's crazy. Custom sound once. Okay, why would you need a lamp on your table when you can have a speaker? Let's go in here and hear how they sound. Oh, hanging ones. Let's go see how they sound. Even a custom rug. Okay. Oh, an audio research gear. Look at the artwork print. This is crazy. And Vincent Belanger. So this is the Mona Lisa diffuser. Pretty cool. I gotta say, I've never seen a Mona Lisa diffuser. And who can tell me that? Yeah, I'm sure you guys recognize. I don't know what that famous is, if that's based on a famous. What's the price of these speakers we're listening to?
30,000.
30,000, okay. Are these active too? Or the other ones are active?
This is passive.
What's that?
Passive.
Passive.
Yeah.
And these diffusers, you make these too?
Sorry?
These room treatment diffusers?
In fact, it's not only diffusers, it's also for design.
Okay.
And these are made by the company as well.
Okay. And how much are those?
I don't know the prices. We can ask outside the manager.
Okay.
We can ask him. I don't know exactly the prices for this.
Okay.
If you open your camera and take the picture.
Yeah, you
the
can see
resolution
it.
increases and
Yeah. So you can tell. Not my type of music, but this is a cool room for sure. I've never seen. Let me see if I can get a price. Thank you. Thank you. The price on the diffusers? Do you have the price?
I don't know.
Okay. He didn't know either. He didn't.
side video Bilmiyorum. Sait biliyor mu? Nerede Sait?
Sait yukarıya çıktı görüşmeye. Şey de yok. Anıl da yok.
He's in a meeting.
Oh, okay.
If you can call directly him later,
Okay,
or you
yeah,
can come
I'll-
back in 1
sure.
hour, maybe he will be here.
Okay, very cool. It's a cool cards too. I like
Yeah,
it.
it's handmade. Everything
Handmade.
is handmade.
Everything handmade.
Yeah. Including the speakers as well, everything. is
Everything.
handmade.
Love it. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is the kind of stuff you like to see. May not be for everybody's taste, obviously. It may not be for ultimate sound quality, but cool stuff to see.